healthcare, retail, manufacturing, AI is taking over everything. But here is the twist. Every industry that AI enters creates 10x more high-paying jobs for people who understand AI. The problem is only 3% of professionals know how to position themselves for these opportunities. What if I told you there is a hidden opportunity that can help you to take out the AI fear, even be part of AI? Well, my students who were once in your position, confused, scared, unsure of what to do when AI was slowly taking over their careers. So joining me became the turning point, and they are getting 4 to 20x salary hikes. Well, you can do it too. And for that, you just need to click the link below. Register to get access to my 2 hours of AI career growth transformational webinar. I'll tell you how you can stop fearing and leveraging AI ML and land high-paying roles in reputed companies. Okay, you might not believe me, but you can believe my 10,000 plus professionals out there in 175 countries whom I have guided, and they have transformed their careers into high-paying AI roles. No coding required, no complex math required, just proven systems that will turn your existing experience into biggest advantage. So what are you waiting for? Just join this webinar at 59 rupees, but the offer is limited only for today. So what are you waiting? Don't regret later. Just click the link below and get access to my webinar and transform your life.